We'll start out by starting my red mower, which is an MTD by Yard Machines, 3.5 horsepower Tecumseh, 20-inch cutting path. I found this one in the garbage and it runs like it's brand new. Alright, so we're going to prime it 3 times. Got a little strap on here with snap buttons, so when I fire up my mower, I don't have to let my hand off the brake handle. It straps the brake handle down so it doesn't shut off on me. Just see if there's gas. This thing's on pretty tight. Yep, there's gas. Alright, let's fire it up. Ooh. That one hurt. There we go. Runs like it's brand new. Next here we have my 1979 Lawnboy 7260G. See, it has a little pull starter problem. I need to readjust the spring in the recoil. Alright, so turn it on, give it 3 primes, and let's fire it up. There we go. Runs like it's brand new. Alright, this is my latest Lawnboy that I just received today. It's a Lawnboy 3055 1969 bricktop motor design. I guess when I received it, the rewind broke on it. So the guy who previously owned this had to mount a starter hub from a snowmobile on top of the flywheel. And so tomorrow I'm going to be receiving another Lawnboy. Well, tomorrow or in the next week. And I'm going to receive the new pull cord with the fingertip start handle, not this Briggs & Stratton one. And I'm going to put it back together. Okay, so it's turned on. Give it 2 primes. And let's see. Whoa. I guess it's not recoiled right. Here we go. Okay, let's see. This is a loud one. It has the old style exhaust. See? It has the old style exhaust on it. But all the lawn equipment works.